Hello and welcome to CIT 115 Python programming and its associated lab, which is CIT 115L. This is our Blackboard home site for the class. When you first log in, you will land here in the Start Here course beginning, where you can read my welcome message, review the syllabus, and see information about free utilities and links that will helpfully enhance your learning. The main areas are weekly course documents, assignments, and quizzes and tests. So after you're done looking at the Start Here course beginning, please click on the weekly course documents. This is where I will show you things, samples, how to do things, book resources, additional YouTube web tutorials. Assignments is where you go to see what coding assignments you must do. First thing you should do is install Python, and I have a Word document with screenshots that walks you through it. And then you have a choice. You have multiple IDEs. IDE is interactive or integrated development environment. It's tools to help you write software. In this class, I recommend any of these, but the majority of the students use IDLE or they use PyCharm. And then you'll see additional assignments. And of course, quizzes. The first thing you must do is take the syllabus quiz after you've read the syllabus that can be found here. Welcome to class, and I look forward to working with you.